So I'm going to open my air handler and the furnace units covers just to see if everything is okay, because it has been like 6 years since this unit is working. So I have shut it down. Everything is turned off. Let's see if everything is fine inside. Okay. So this seems, everything seems clean and fine. I'll show you the close-up in a bit. So this is what it is looking like. It is pretty clean. This one also. Everything looks clean because I replace my filters very regularly. I have a stack of filters lying here. So this all looks fine. As you can see, this is clean. This one. Okay. Why is it lying inside? And what is this? Oh, so this is rubbing here, and this is a wheel for the blower. Okay, so it means I need to remove this, because this can hinder the airflow and it may catch fire also, because this is paper. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me remove it and show you. So I think it has a very strong glue behind it. But whatever the case is, this needs to go. Very strong adhesive. Let me stop the camera. So it has been removed. I'll install it somewhere on the outside. It's a 3M adhesive, so that's why I think it is so strong. So everything seems fine. I'll just put it outside somewhere. Done. Done. I'll just put it here like this. So if anyone wants to open, they can see this, and it is not rubbing anymore. So everything looks clean. This is done, and thanks for watching.